Alright, welcome to Spencer's Computer Science Internal Assessment video. For the internal assessment, this is a website for a local robotics team for potential sponsors to look at. That way they could learn about the team and hopefully want to invest money or time or materials for the team. So this project was created through using HTML and CSS in order to make the website functional and visually attractive. So this is the first page on the website. Immediately, one of the standout features is the navigation bar that is at the top of it. Each of the four sections is able to be clicked and to bring you to another website that's attached, of course. And one of the main functions of this website is when you hover your mouse over it, it'll slightly change the color blue. That way you know you're hovering it. The team's colors are actually blue and gold, so in order to stay in the theme, I chose in the let's see that oh boy. In the CSS, you could see we chose the background color. That's the code for the yellow background that could be seen right over here, and on the side and in the padding in between each, and actual blue for the when it's not being hovered, and this code right over here for when since it's being hovered. When you are hovering it, it's a slightly darker blue. And again, those are all hyperlinked then right over here, just by simple href command. So when each one's individually clicked, it'll take you to one of the four pages. The client for this website stated that they wanted there to be a home page that'd be easily updated with recent events. So I implemented a upcoming events calendar, a recent events, and near future boxes that are all just written out right down here with their pictures, implemented and divided into each individual class. And then I took those classes. I added the proper properties for the border, the size of the boxes, height, the position, and then I flowed them left. That way they'd be next to each other, so it wouldn't be a big empty space on the website, and it'd be visually appealing, and they are displayed in block next to each other. So on the next page here, this is the About Us team. This is basic background on the team that they wanted. Again, they wanted one of the main things that the team wanted was a simple website that had a continuous design through it. Other than the home page, they wanted it to be uniform. So just in the program, again, slightly different this page since it doesn't have the three individual boxes. Instead, it just got one paragraph, which the paragraph division right here could be seen. The paragraph auto-p is right here, and it's aligned to the center since I wanted it to be almost symmetrical right down the middle, and not lean to one side, of course. And I had to increase the font size to 150%, and I included 3 pictures of the team helping out in the community because that's one of the highlights for their sponsors. Next, they wanted to explain why sponsors are necessary for the team. It is an extremely costly event, so this is used to display the money. Again, it's a very similar format because that's what the team asked for in their success. So, again, the title. Each page has got a heading in the top corner that's actually above the navigation bar. That way you know what screen you are on. So as I switch through, it switches through, and that's all shown right over here. And so right in the title, so the actual heading, this H1 over here, each of the pages has got that right here, and as you switch between them, it'll get updated. And so that's why that shows that. And so on the actual page, you have the heading in the top corner, and then you have the heading that you see after you read it. So it's actually slightly different than the title on the nav bar, because the title nav bar has to be shorter. That way it can fit within the nav bar and within the size of the box. But the title on the page is slightly longer, a little bit more better sounding, clear English. So that just shows all the functions of this website. Again, the most important function is the hyperlinking on the navigation bar, which allows easy access for the team to successfully have a sponsor website.